Hojik koi marup arun na hojik hybrid sini. Sahi ahum pajal sahi ahum si mi siwa kudingi mayam ki awaba mayam ki nuai tab jim phungdoi candle light vigil bu ramo tu asum awaba ji sum sahi ahum ngasi sahi ahum ni ko adugi ni ko ya anga chari je. Sum tawradra ba sum candle la thadana sum awaba da phungdok da leiradra haibani da. Ngasi ji koi sahi ahum subagi hayengdi di sahi mari haidoi ni. अवाबद फुंदोक लेरद्राबा अदो अखोइना वारिसि करिनो वारिनो हाबदो दुनिदा कोजुने खोइ लाखोइसे करिनो वाहलिनो बा अखोइना वारिसे कुकी खुलाई पाइबा सिंदुना नोमै कापसलगा हौरखिबि इरांगने कनादा कापसनबा कनोदा खोइगी तोरबुंग बंगला खोइगी बिष्णुपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की तोरबुंग बंगलादा Maitei khunda nomai kapsandana mayam tanthokdana udagi yum mai than odi hora khibne madugi repercussion ngakta ba thorei che odi mi kaya ma sire ado loi bulu sangi di matamdu da prime minister na dum loisan ba yai kasunati Indian army more than 60,000 Indian army paramilitary forces lay never. In fact, if the prime minister Mr. Modi really intended to stop this violence, he could have stopped in a day. How? He can order. He should have ordered the Indian army. Of course, Assam Rifles are under the control of the Indian army. They can stop it because these Kuki armed groups under SHU or whatever, they are under the direct control of the Assam Rifles, and for that we have solid proof. There are so many solid proof in the media, in the social media. They are floating around. There is no doubt about it. So it is the Prime Minister of the country, Sri Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister. He is responsible for this. In fact, he is burning Manipur. He burned this place called Manipur. Now what happened is, since he is allowing this violence to continue, naturally the people, the different communities, they have started hating one another. Gugis, in fact, they, with their armed groups, with their armed leadership, they said we will be separated from Manipur. They said we are going to find a Kuki land. We are going to form a Kuki land out of Manipur. Because they are given all the freedom by the government, by Narendra Modi government. If Modi said, no, nothing doing, stop it, lay down your arms, the issue ends there. The issue ends there. There is no question about it. This violence, this problem, the whole problem which is burning Manipur, till today, since May 3, 2023, this whole violence is deliberately allowed by this Modi government to continue. The reasons is quite obvious. So this is the reason why we are saying that Mr. Modi is responsible. He is responsible. He is 100% responsible. Of course, to some extent, the Chief Minister of Manipur is responsible, but I don't think he cannot do anything because Manipur in a different situation. Assam Rifle, Indian Army, they are not under the control of the Indian Army, are under the control of the Chief Minister. But who has the reign, who has the power to control these Sioux people, these Kuki people? It's the army, it's the Assam Rifle. And this army, Assam Rifle, they are under the control of the government of India, under the Prime Minister. If the Prime Minister wants to stop it, this violence, he can stop it in no time. And this I have been saying right from the beginning. When Mr. Karan Thapa talked to me, I told him, it was I think in August or September 2023 itself, I told Mr. Karan that if the Prime Minister wants to stop this violence, he can stop it in a day. because these armed cookie groups who are creating all these problems, they are under the direct control of the Assam Rifle Indian Army. And therefore, Mr. Modi could have ordered this Indian Army General to stop this nonsense. Why Modi is not doing? In fact, today, in Delhi, in Manipur, in many places, in many other states, this observation, the third May observation is going on. And this is becoming insane. Rather, we should ask the Prime Minister, Modi sir, please stop this violence. Please bring Manipur into normalcy by stopping these tin cookie people. Don't give any excuses. Don't try to divert. In fact, whatever the government of India is saying, diverting this issue, finding different reasons, telling Manipur is burning because of such and such issue, the problem. These are all diversion. In fact, it insults our intelligence. We know what is the ground reality. We know the ground reality. So this way, WMC is saying that this whole problem is being allowed to continue by the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. So I think even God will not forgive Sri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, for burning Manipur. This is what World Military Council would like to say. Very frankly, free and frank, no inhibition, no fear, no favor.